Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to find file which you shared with others. Okay, you can find your file that you have shared with others in Google Drive. You can also find the file which others share with you. So I will show in this video tutorial. So let's start with the video. So guys, here you can see I am on my Android on Google Drive, and here you can see this is my drive, and this is, you can see the shared folder. This shared folder where you can find the file or folder which shared by others. You can see the shared person name. You can see the shared by. So you can see the name of the person. If you want to find out the email ID, just click on the right on file, or you can see the particular person email ID here. So now you can, this is file that you the others share with you. But now if you want to find the file which you have shared with others, you just go to the my drive, and here you can just search the file and find this tiny icon of two people, means you have shared this file to someone. So how you can find it, just right click on share, and here you can see the, okay, okay, so this is shared with you only. I show you again another files. Okay, so let's see on this file. Click on share. Okay, okay, so this tiny icon, because you have shared this file for anyone, because this icon has become, you can change. If you, you can set this anyone with this, that's why this tiny icon has been appear. If you change it with restricted, then it will be disappear. Okay, just done it, so you can see it's disappear. But if I share it to someone email ID, so if I share it this person, okay, I can share this. Okay, I will share this file to this person and send it. So you can see this tiny icon will be appear here. Now you can check it by here, just click on share, and you can see the person where you have shares. Just click on tiny icon and you can remove from here. Okay, so just save the changes. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.